television. Ahoo! What's in our supply box today? Let's see what's in our supply box. Love Paw Patrol Keyboard. Open it up. Oh no, you can only open it with a screwdriver. Paw Patrol Keyboard. Silent. Oh yeah, you can pick your instrument. And at that side you can pick a rhythm.
Looking at the Paw Patrol keyboard, when you get this from the store, we got this from Toys R Us. You will notice that on the back it needs to have a screwdriver to open it to get it out of the packaging. So that is a little bit time consuming. It does require batteries right over here, and it does not come with the 3 AA batteries that it needs. So you'll want to pick those up at the store.
Batteries are not included.
Alright, so on this side we have the on button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We have an instrument side, 1 through 4. Instrument number 1. Instrument number 2. Instrument 3. And instrument 4. Down at the bottom we have volume, so you can turn it higher or lower. Then on the other side here,
This side is the rhythm side. What's this one?
rhythm 1, 2, 3, and rhythm 4, along with a tempo adjustment bar, so you can make it go faster or slower. Now up at the top here you have some songs, song number 1, already pre-recorded, and song number 2. Now up here on the top, you have some different buttons if you're hoping to record yourself. There's a record button. You can stop the recording, and of course you can play it back. There's also a sound effects button in case you want to add a little something special. And that's how you use the Paw Patrol keyboard.
I like it.
What do you like about it?
It sings.
It makes music?
Yeah. It sings. It has buttons. Come back for more surprises later.